Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make iPhone apps download faster. First, let's go to our settings and click on your Apple ID name at the top. And in here, let's select the iCloud option. So on this page, let's scroll down and under iCloud Plus features, you should be able to see the private relay option. So if you have this as well, just select that and turn it on like this. If it says not currently supported in this region, that would be an unfortunate news, but you will be able to turn it on when you are online in a supported country or region. However, if this is available in your country or region, you can then turn it on and try downloading an app again and see if that fixes your problem. If not, let's go back to the main settings page and let's go to General. Let's scroll down and select VPN and device management. If you currently have a VPN connection listed in here, you can select it and delete it and make sure that you are not connected to any VPN app and try downloading an app again and see if your connection is now better. Another step would be to open your control center and alternating between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. So if you're currently using Wi-Fi, you can switch to cellular data. And if you're currently using your cellular data, switch on to Wi-Fi and see which has a better connection speed. Next way is to go to the App Store and we can search for VPN. You can then scroll through the free VPN apps and try to connect to it and see if your download speed improves. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.